Alright, just in time, catching the start of all this. It technically started earlier with a bunch of loud lightning and thunder. Talking about it was lit up pretty well out here whenever I came out, but man, like the lightning's so intense, it is lighting up the area more. You like that? These are very quick bolts. They're reaching out from the storm too. Like we're not even directly hit by it. It's pretty much just passing over that direction, somewhere around over there. Just like that, man. These are ground strikes as well. Yeah. Pretty crazy out here in Arkansas. I'm gonna stop recording and just watch and enjoy it.